Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In the last video, we touched upon the topic of sending message and sending messages in batch to AWS SQS. Today we will look how to delete those messages from SQS. This is because SQS has this weird thing of persisting messages into queue until it is deleted, unlike other messaging brokers, where the messages are deleted once they are delivered or read. So let's start with the implementation of delete message and delete messages in batch. So as you see, I have already segregated the code. You see different files for getting AWS config. We have a client.go. SNS has this SQS has this SQS connection struct, and we are getting the SQS client from it. And the receive functionality and send message I have all segregated and made it a modular code. So now let's do the same for delete. So delete message.go. Okay, I see. Yes. So package SQS function C delete message. So context dot context. Other thing we need is the queue URL. That would be string. Uh, and the last would be message. So message would be a type of types dot message which is provided by SQS itself. So yes, we will need that. SQS dot get SQS dot delete message. Yes, it needs context, delete message input, and returns delete message output and error. So let's first give those arguments. Yes, params. What it needs is QURL. We already have it, and receipt handle. So receipt handle we have it in the message dot receipt handle as one of the attributes of a message. It returns us delete message, returns us delete message output, and the error. So basically, we don't require the result of delete message, but yes, if there is an error, we need it. If error, then just print out message. Unable to delete message, error, and once we are able to delete, successfully deleted message. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Let's first see if we are able to receive the message. We already have the queue here. Yes, and the messages are available in the queue. Let's just refresh it and see again. Yes, 10 messages are available. Let's first read the message from the queue. If you see, yes, go run main.go. Yes, we are able to receive a single message. So let's first delete that single message once we receive it. So dot delete message, need context, then QURL, and then message. Yeah, that should do the thing. Yes, we are able to successfully delete message. Batch message number 8. Let's clear it out, and let's also check if the message is deleted from the queue. Currently we have 10. Let's refresh it. It should be 9. Yes, it is 9. So now let's move forward to delete message batch. Okay, sorry, here is the delete message batch. Just copy and paste it out. Mm, Delete message batch, remove it, delete message batch. It needs context and delete message batch input. Okay, what does it need? It needs a queue URL. We already have it, and then the entries. So entries are of type. Let's check the type. Entries are of types delete message batch request entry. Yes, so let's populate it with message batch. Oh, variable of message batch and then type of entry. Yes, and here it would be slice of messages. Now loop over message, and here it is messages. Populate it into message batch equal to append, and yes, it should require ID. So let's pass it message dot message ID. Yes, and the receipt handle. So receipt handle is message dot receipt handle. Yes, this should pretty much do it. Unable to delete message. Yes, in batch. And unable to and successfully deleted messages in batch. That's it. Now let's go and receive messages in batch. So max number of messages to be received is, let's put it 5 or 4 now. And also once all the messages are received, then call it the batch, and we need a messages, not a single message. So let's put this into the message batch, message batch variable and types dot message. Yes, and whenever we loop over it, let's first message batch append it into it. So message batch and message. Here we should be passing message batch. So first let's see how many messages we are able to get. Go run main.go. We are able to receive two messages at a time as of now, but yes, that's fine. Let's delete it. Yes, we are able to delete those messages. So earlier we were having 9 messages in the queue. Now it should be 7. Yes, as we see, we are having 7 messages. Let's clear it out and let's run it in for loop so that all the messages we have, once we have processed the message, it should get deleted. So if we see the message is we received the message. Once the message is received, we looped over it, processed it, and then we are deleting the message. So here it would be the processing with your business logic and all this thing. But yes, let's go and run the run the program, sorry. Yes. So this messages we have already deleted. This is just because it was running in a loop and we did not add any of the checks if there are messages or not. So that's why it was printing this out. Yeah, no issues. But yes, we should see that the messages, 7 messages we already have, should be deleted for now. Yes, it is deleted. So we successfully deleted a message and messages in batch. So that was the topic for today. Thanks for watching the video. Please do give a thumbs up if you like the video and do subscribe to the channel. I will be coming up with new videos with a different topic. Thanks for watching.